Timeless elegance restored. Classic car restoration excellence in Boca Raton, FL. Heritage Haven. Boca Raton's hub for preserving classic car legacy, world-class auto repair center. Craftsmanship mastery. Meticulous restoration, blending traditional artistry with cutting-edge techniques for timeless elegance. Bespoke treatment. Each classic car undergoes a personalized plan, reviving every detail for perfection. Precision technology. Harmonious fusion of tradition and modernity, utilizing state-of-the-art techniques for exceptional results. Passionate experts. A team driven by love for classic cars, ensuring a dedicated and skillful restoration process. Community engagement. Beyond repairs, actively fostering a community, sharing insights, and building connections among enthusiasts. Aesthetic excellence. Remarkable attention to detail, from authentic interiors to precision in replicating original paint schemes. Trusted partner. Recognized as the go-to destination for classic car restoration, earning trust through quality and personalization. Client testimonials. Satisfied clients echo the sentiment of world-class auto repair center as a custodian of automotive history. Educational hub. Organizing events, workshops, and gatherings, sharing knowledge and expertise in the classic car domain. Elevating classics. Boca Raton's cornerstone for timeless elegance, reviving classic cars as resplendent automotive masterpieces. Revival Center. More than a repair shop, it's a revival center, breathing new life into classic automobiles.